evaluate the limit of 2 plus h quantity square minus 4 all over h as h goes to 0. So if we plug in h equals 0, then we get 2 plus 0 2, 2 is squared 4 minus 4, 0 on the top and 0 on the bottom. That means at exactly h equals 0, the graph of this function has a hole that is still good for limit. Okay, we can still find the limit. Let's find the limit. And the goal here is to get rid of this 0 making factor on the top and h, which is 0 making factor, cancel. So at some point we need to cancel h from top and bottom. The bottom is just ready to be cancelled, but we need to factor h out. So we need to simplify. A lot of times we just factor the top, factor the bottom, in this case already factor, and cancel the 0 making factor. But it looks like this one, I mean, we can still factor. I'll show you how to factor, but easier would be 2 plus h is square. How about just foiling? 2 plus h is square means 2 plus h times 2 plus h. Now we can just multiply. Okay, let's do that. So limit h going to 0, no issue on the bottom. On the top, when we multiply 2 times 2, 4, 2h, h2, which is 2h, h is square, so that's 4 plus 2h plus 2h, 4h plus h is square minus 4, that's on the top. As you can see, 4 and 4 cancel. Then 4h plus h is square. They are unlike terms, but we can factor h from these two terms. So h out, that leaves 4 plus h. Now this h is factor, so we can cancel h from top and bottom. Okay, that h was the 0 making factor, and I was talking earlier about cancelling this. Now we don't have to write even limit, we can simply evaluate this limit because the 0 making factor is gone. So 4 plus h, let's plug in h equals 0 here. So we get 4 plus 0, which is just 4. So the answer is 4. Alternatively, we can factor the top and cancel h at some point and evaluate the limit. Let's do that. So limit h going to 0, h. It's not easy to see, but the top is 2 plus h quantity square minus 4. 4 is 2 square. And this way we can see this is a difference of 2 squares. Okay, like u square minus v square, u plus b, u minus b. We can do the same thing here. 2 plus h plus 2. 2 plus h minus 2. So let's factor the top. So we get 2 plus h plus 2, 2 plus h minus 2. Okay, then here 2 minus 2 cancel, just h is left over. 2 plus 2, 4 plus h, okay, times h all over h. That's exactly what we had here. Okay, and now we can simply cancel h from top and bottom, and we plug in h 0. So 4 plus 0, 4. Either way, the limit is 4.